to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy and step-by-step dance tutorials. So today I'm going to show you how to do the move you just saw in the preview. The first time I learned it was in a house class where they called it the shuffle, but then you also have this as the shuffle and this as the shuffle. So yeah, call it what you want. So basically this move is just 3 jumps that you just keep repeating over and over. You just start going to one side and then you move to the other side, and then you can just repeat the process. But before you start jumping, you want to make a small preparation where you take your right leg up like this. Yeah, just gonna show you from the side. So I'm gonna take my right leg up like this and then jump and kick. Yeah, so my preparation is go down here, bend your knees a bit because I want to prepare for my jump here. And at the same time I'm lifting up my right leg. So down, up, yeah. Just gonna show you just that. 5, we do it on 8, and then we jump on N1. Yeah, so 7, 8, 1. Let's just try it without the jump. We're just gonna say here, kick. So we go on 8, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Remember to bend down here a bit so that you can jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8, and jump. Yes, now let's try with the jump. I'm just gonna say jump on my left here, and at the same time I'm kicking my right leg out. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. What you could do is also turn your body here when you do the preparation, and then when you jump, you go back to the front. Yeah, or maybe just slightly to the right. So again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, now I want to move to the next jump. So you've just said jump here. Now I'm just gonna switch, jumping on my right, pulling my left leg up like this. Yeah. So I came from here and then jumping here. So again from the top, 8, 1, and again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and. So to begin with, you don't have to do the moves that big. You can just start small and then you can exaggerate afterwards. So let's try again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and. So I've said 8, 1, and. From here, I'm gonna jump on my right again, taking my left leg here behind my right. And you can also turn your upper body to this side, yeah, to the right side, when you do the last one. So let's try again. From here, we want to do the last jump, jumping again on the right, saying 8. Again, here, 7, 8, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. So let's try from the top. So we start on 8, 1, and 2. Again, slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2. So from here, you just want to repeat the same moves. Let's say to the opposite side. So if I'm here, I want to jump on my right again, kicking my left out, whoop, yeah, so this is actually where I came from. Here, I'm going back to here, switching leg, yeah, so let's take it back from here. I just did 8, 1, and 2. From here, I'm kicking my left out, jumping on my right, whoop, switching legs here, whoop. So from here, I'm jumping again on my left, taking my right leg back here, yeah. So from here, 7, 8, jump. So I just did 8, 1, and 2 from here, 3, and 4. So again from here, jumping again on my right, kicking my left out, 5, 6, 7, 8, top, 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 Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ta. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ta. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ta, ta, ta. So let's try again, slowly from the top, moving to the right to begin with, and then to the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. It's actually easier to do it faster. Let's do it a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now with this move, you can move wherever you want. You can also just do it on the spot. So you go ta 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 ta. You could move to the front, to the back, to the side, to the side, to the corner, to the corner. You could also go to the left, for instance, and then to the front. Yeah. So I would do that by saying prep 1 and 2. From here, I just jump to the front. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, let's add some arms. Yeah, so you could do 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So simple, as if you're running. Hey! So again, you go 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So let's combine it with the legs. So we go 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let's try that again slowly. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pretty difficult to do slow. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Or you can do the opposite and say you start with the right hand up here, whoop, and go ha, 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 and then you can touch your leg here. Whoop. So again from here with the right up, you go switch, switch, touch. And again from here, obviously you go switch, switch, touch. Or if you want to do some other arms, you could do and ha, 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 ha. Yeah, so I'm gonna go and ha, 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 ha. Or however you want. Ha, 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 ha. Alright, that's it for this dance tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, please comment, like, subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.